Hello everyone, welcome to the Developers and Coders Club of NIT Agartala. Let us solve today LeetCode question 2697 lexicographical smallest palindrome. I hope all of you read the question properly. This is also a very easy and standard question. What is the lexicographical order? Means your dictionary order. Your string will follow the dictionary order. And palindrome means if you read the string from forward and backward, it will be the same. That is the meaning of simple palindrome. If you are new or new in the coding, then I think you don't know the meaning of palindrome. So I hope all of you read the not a worth it if I'm going to read and this time taken. All of you read the question at your own. In this question, simply you have to uh, do a simple operation to make your string palindrome, right? And what just understand with the test case as given, you have given first test case E G C F E, right? E G C F E, right? Then you have to make your string to the palindrome, right? To the palindrome means your if you are reading from forward and backward, it will be the same. And another thing you have to notice here that string should be in lexicographical order. So let's simply run a while loop, right? And compare your forward and back forward and means from the initial position and from the last position. Compare your elements. You can go with two pointer approach. Initialize two pointer. I'm start giving start point and end point, right? Your start point is from 0 and eg to 0 1 2 3 4. End point is equal to 4. For each iteration you plus your start point, and for each iteration you minus 1 your end point, right? Simply compare. mm, right, wait, you simply compare your elements like EE. You have to know if the points are differ, if your characters are differ, then you have to perform operation, right? EE are same, I will not do, and I will improve, I will increase my start point and decrease my end point. Then it will become what? Start plus plus. Initially it is 0, then it will increase 1. Initially it is 4, then it will decrease 3. And I will compare G and FE. Wait a minute. G and FE, G and F. Which one is smaller? Like, because you have to manage your lexicographical order, right? So you can't upgrade your element with the largest one, like in alphabetical order. Like you have to follow the ASCII codes, but you can simply do with in simple alphabetical position. Like G comes at the 7th position and F comes your 6th position. So so what will you do? You change your G with the lowest one, F, like E F C F E. Now you just read E F C F E, E F C F E. Just simply this become palindrome. How many operations you did? No, you do not return the number of operations. You just implement your palindrome string, lexicographical palindrome string, right? Same in this case. You see, A and D, which one is smaller? A. So you change your D with a smaller one, A, B, C, D, right? Oh, sorry, A, right? Now you upgrade your start point A and decrease your ending point this, start and end. So which one is smaller? B and C, B. So change your C to B and A, B, A, B, A. Simple. This is your answer. Now C. 7, uh, s is smaller or n is smaller? N is smaller, so change n e v e n. Just read from starting and from back ending, this is the same. So this is a two-pointer approach, and I think you easily understand this question. Let's go to the code part. Like you initialize with the s word, I'm not using because it is initialized already with the s. So I'm using st for the starting point, ending point s dot size minus 1. And simply iterate a loop while st is less than or equal to e. This is your condition for your while loop. And if s of st is less than s of e, right, means what? Your ending element is greater. Then what you will change? Ending element is greater, right? What do you think? This one. See in this example, your ending element for a particular case, your ending element is greater. Then what you are doing? You are changing your with your smallest one, means s of st, means you are changing your ending element with your smaller one, right? See, same as if your first element is greater with ending, then what you will, your first element will change according to ending element. Simply iterate st plus plus and e minus 1 and return your string. I hope you all of you understand the logic, and thank you everyone.